How to fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. So, for that, first of all, swipe down to open up your control center, tap on the screen mirroring icon, and now if your device does not appear or you cannot connect, you can try these steps. Simply turn on airplane mode on, wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it off. This will refresh your Wi-Fi connection. Now after that, you can simply open up settings and start your tap on Wi-Fi. And just like that, you can simply make sure your iPhone and device you want to mirror are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If it's still not working, you can restart your iPhone. You can press and hold on the side button and the volume button, then swipe to power off. Turn the phone back on after a few seconds, and then you should restart your TV or device you're trying to connect to. And that's it. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.